You can add promo codes that customers can apply when making a purchase through the payment form or shopping cart on your SendPulse-powered website. When customers enter a promo code at checkout, the system automatically applies the discount based on your settings. Go to CRM, eCommerce, Promo Codes. Click Create a Promo Code. Enter your promo code or click the button to automatically generate a random combination of characters. Your promo code can include Latin letters and numbers and must be a single word with no spaces. Choose a discount type and enter its value. Enter a percentage of your product or service price or enter a discount amount and choose a currency from the drop-down list. If needed, set promo code usage limits. Set a discount validity period. Set a promo code validity period. Select the checkbox and set a start and end date and time. Limit the number of uses. Select the checkbox and enter a number. This is the number of customers who can apply your promo code and receive the discount. Click Add. To manage your promo code, click the three dots next to it and select an action. Edit. Opens customizable promo code settings. Show users. Shows who used your promo code at checkout. Deactivate. Makes your promo code unapplicable. It remains in your CRM system with all its settings, and you can reactivate it as needed. Delete. Permanently removes your promo code and its settings from the CRM system. You can only delete promo codes that your customers haven't used yet. If a promo code has been used, it can only be deactivated.